Okay, hey everyone, I just got something in the mail that I did not expect to arrive so fast, so we're gonna open it. Um, this was not cheap. This is also really rare. I know exactly what this is already. I'm excited. So, if I can figure out how to get this open, I'll just... Oh yeah, I send these out all the time. I should know. Priority mail never change. There we go. So, what this is something that I never thought I'd ever see in my lifetime. It's that rare in cultivation. Don't know about the wild, but oh, I see it. I see it. Here it is. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. There we go. That's oh so cool. This is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. This right here is actual Pothos, not the stuff you see in garden centers. So this right here is Pothos beccarianus. There we go. So you can see that looks totally different from what you see sold in hardware stores, in garden centers, in grocery stores as Pothos. That's an epipremnum. Usually epipremnum aureum, sometimes epipremnum pinnatum if you get lucky. This is Pothos beccarianus. This is incredibly rare. It was not cheap either. This is like a $100 plant. Easy. And it's really cool. Look at that venation on it. I'll show you the underside so you can see the roots grow under each leaf. And it shingles. So this was growing on a tree branch or a trunk that was exactly this diameter that it was growing in. This is so cool. Yeah, so this is a special plant. This is a really special plant. And of course I got it right before I go away for a convention. So I'm going to keep it in a terrarium that maintains really high humidity and a lot of good moisture. I'm going to put it on a moss pad to make sure this survives because I'm not going to be able to water it for a few days. And this is one of the coolest things I've ever had. Probably one of my favorite plants right now. I didn't expect it to become that so quickly, but here it is. This is something very special. And now that actual Pothos is in cultivation and people are getting it out, and I'm probably the first person on the East Coast to have this thing in my hands, and I still can't believe I'm holding it. Yeah. This is really cool, but now that we actually have true Pothos in the hobby, we need to start calling epipremnum aureum what it actually is, which is epipremnum aureum and not Pothos. This is Pothos. What everyone else has is not this. It is totally different. This is from Borneo. Epipremnum aureum is from, what was it? Solomon Island? Yeah, Solomon Island, because the Solomon Island skinks eat almost nothing but that. But yeah, this has gone on long enough. This is really rare. This is really cool. Yeah, so we're going to see how this grows in my care. Hopefully really well. But yeah, I'm signing off. I'm going to go plant this thing up and get it going. So yeah, bye.